Sir, picking up on what you mentioned kanina, sir, about not wanting to meet your Chinese counterpart, hindi ba important, sir, for ministers to continue conversation despite the tension?
Well, of course it is important, but how can you have a conversation when the day before the ADMM, the Ministry of Defense of China came out with a statement that we have to mend our ways and or suffer the consequences, and that the Philippines is blackmailing China? Would you talk to, or would you offer to talk to somebody who slammed your country that way? Of course not. I mean, if I would be willing to talk, if there was a semblance of good faith, kung nagpakita ng sinseridad, kakausapin ko, bakit hindi? Pero kakausapin mo na the day before sinabi binablockmail natin ng China, pagkatapos magbago daw tayo ng mend your ways para biro mo magsasabi sila, gusto namin makipag-usap, mabait kami, pero sasabihan ka on the other hand na gano'n.
Sampal sa mukha yun, kaya hindi ko tatanggapin. At sinabi ko yun sa aking intervention sa ADMM class. At kinok ko ang isang tao na sinabi, resist unilateral bullying. So sinusunod lang naman natin ang sinabi. Sino nagsabi no? President Xi Jinping sa APEC. Kaya sabi niya, we must resist unilateral bullying. Ba't pag tayo ang nagre-resist, ayaw nila?
At ano reaction, sir, ng China?
Wala.
Sir, this is
Ready yung script eh.